Hi, I'm Dan with MIDI Designer, and in this video I'm going to go over the new community browser that's coming out in 10.10.0 right now in February of 2026. Let's get into it. Most easily accessed from the home screen. There's also an access point in the config, but from the home screen we're going to tap Browse. And this brings up the browser, and you can see that we can scroll vertically between, and there we move between MIDI target manufacturers. So we've got E to F here. You can see EMU Systems, Electron Music Machines, Empress Effects, etc. And so we can scroll down. We can also scroll over, and same thing on iPad and same thing on iPhone. I'm showing it on Mac right now. And you can see that the brand moves, or the MIDI target manufacturer as we're calling them. And I can also tap on them. So I can tap on Ensoniq and we get right to the Ensoniq layout for Ensoniq ESQM, etc. And we can go into the thumbnail view here. And this brings up all of the thumbnails for the various downloads, and this is all of the thumbnails. So for instance, if I tap on each one, it'll say what it is. This is 4 of 9, this is 5 of 9, 6 of 9, etc. And from here, or from the other screen, we can tap in. Here we have to double tap, and we get to the download view. So I'm going to show how that works. So I can open here, load this layout, load it. And there's the layout loaded for us. So going back to home and back to the browse, I'm going to show how the filter works. So we can filter on any word that is somewhere in the layout text or title or anything. So if I type Roland here, I bring up just the Roland layouts, and this also propagates forward to the thumbnail view. And we can blank this out and we can tap on platinum, or we could tap on gold, or we could type in ad hoc silver or bronze. So here's gold. And going forward to the thumbnails, we have all the thumbnails here if we want to see them. And also important is when we tap through to the detail view, aside from loading the various pieces, so the layout, if there's a layout, etc., or the zip would open externally, we can also tap into any of these views, and if there is a high resolution one, which we have here, we can see the various screens here. And we go back and we can open from here, so same thing. We've also got the option at any point, if we want to interact with the layout more completely, we can go to open Q&A, and it'll open the Q&A site, and there we can leave comments and upvote, etc., etc. At some point, we hope to build that into the browser. But that's the main functionality for the new community browser, a native experience covering a lot of the pain points that people had with the browser in 10.10.0, coming out now in February 2026. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out MIDI Designer Pro 10, and we'll see you in the next video.